Let's go ahead and let's jump straight into today's tutorial. As you can see, today we are doing the crop top. I will be walking you guys throughout this haircut step by step. So first things first, you guys know we always start off by combing our client's hair, but I have skipped that step today. So we will be grabbing our WAHL magic clip and setting our first guideline in. As you can see, I have my lever closed, and for this specific client, I don't like a C cup on him, and with a crop top you do aim to get rid of the entire C cup. So as you can see right now, I am setting in my guideline just above my client's eyebrow, and right now we are gonna go ahead and grab our WAHL clippers, our WAHL cordless detailers, and we are gonna go ahead and bolt out the bottom area. So guys, with a specific step, take your time, make sure you get the bottom area bolted out nice and clean. You want to get it nice and crisp because this will help your fade pop much more. So next off, still using our WAHL magic clip, we're gonna go ahead with no guard lever open, and we are gonna be setting in a guideline of about ½ an inch. And with this guideline, don't be afraid to go over the same area a few times, and make sure that your guideline is even and consistent on both sides as well as the back. So right now guys, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that first zero guideline we created. As you can see, we will be slightly adjusting our clipper. So right now I'm focusing on one side at a time. So we will be, as you can see right there, we will be slightly adjusting our clipper all the way back to it being closed entirely, and we will follow the exact same steps at the back as well as the other side. And as you can see there, I have adjusted my clipper once again. Right now my clipper lever is about halfway, and as you can see right here, I go ahead and I close my lever entirely, and I use a flick motion. I tap on the zero, I tap on that guideline over there, and as you can see, it gets rid of the guideline nicely. And right now we have a very good blend going. And like I said guys, you follow the exact same steps at the back as well as the other side. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get the channel to 1000 subscribers. So next off, using our number 1 guard, starting off with our lever open, we will be creating a guideline of about an inch. You'll notice with this guideline, I use a lot of a flick motion, as you can see right now. So this helps me already create a nice blend. It makes it a bit easier for me to blend this guideline out and create a nice and smooth transition. And as you can see right there, I went ahead and I closed my lever, and we're still focusing on the dark guideline over there. And now using our 0.5 guard, starting off with our lever open, we'll slightly adjust our lever all the way back to it being closed once again, as you can see right there. And you will follow the exact same steps at the back as well as the other side. And guys, you'll notice my fading system that I use on my channel it's a very easy, very simple. I feel like it's quite basic, and it definitely helps get the fade nice and crisp, and it saves a whole lot of time. Definitely does save you a whole lot of time. So now, just to take a little bit of time, to take our eyes off of the fade, what we are gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and shorten our client's hair on the top. Because my client has a crop top look going, we like to keep the hair nice and short at the top. As you can see right there, I'm taking off about a centimeter of hair, and I make sure that I get the length nice and even in the front as well as the back. I want to make sure that all lengths are nice and even. And as you can see now, I'm cutting in a different direction, just making sure that all the lengths do line up, they do measure up equally. And right now we will be grabbing our wider tooth comb, and we'll be doing some scissor over comb work. As you can see, I scoop with the comb and I pull the comb away from my client's head. That helps to not take out a big chunk of hair. Just helps create a nice and softer blend. And right now, using my number 2 guard, I will be starting with my lever open, and once I do feel comfortable, I will go ahead and close my lever. Like I said, guys, it's all the same steps that we are following. The only thing that changes is our clips, while our clipper guards, and yeah, that's about it. It's just our clipper guards that change. As you can see right now, we have our 1.5 guard on, starting off with our lever open, still using a flick motion. And then once you are comfortable, you can go ahead and close your lever like so. And now you can already see that blend is coming together really nicely. And you follow this exact same steps at the back as well as the other side. So next off, grabbing our 0.5 guard, starting off with our lever open. No, this is our number 1 guard, sorry. So we're starting off with our lever open, and once we do feel comfortable, we'll go ahead and close our lever. And now we have no guard, using our starting off with our lever open, and if necessary you can go ahead and adjust your lever. And now you can see, well, you'll notice me using the corners of my blades more. And now all we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be detailing this haircut, making sure that we get it nice and crisp. We don't have any inconsistencies. We wanna make sure that we have a nice and clean blend. And you'll notice that I really do focus a lot on using the corners of my blades when detailing. That helps me get to dark spots or any patches. Using the corners of the blade is definitely much better for me personally. Try it out, and then you guys let me know in the comment section if it works for you as well. And right here, because I wet my client's hair, just drying it up nicely, because we will be coming through with our WAHL cordless detailer, and we will be lining our client up. So as you can see, today I'm starting off by my client's vertical bar. For the specific client, I like to start by the vertical bars because I don't want to push it back too much. So guys, I'm gonna sit back and I'm gonna allow this lineup to bring the entire cut to life. So starting off in the center, moving either to the right or the left. It all depends on you, on personal preference. But I like to start my lineups in the center and then move either to the left or to the right. Right here, I'm just applying some water to my client's forehead because we are gonna come through with our straight razor, and we're gonna make sure that we're gonna get this lineup popping nice and crisply. So right here, I'm just basically styling my client's hair using some styling powder, and I'm just giving it a nice messy. This is how we style the crop tops. You let me know if you think this is fresh. And right here, I'm just going ahead with my detailer, making sure that my client's lineup is nice and crisp, doing 1 or 2 touch-ups. Guys, this was my client before we got the cut in. And guys, this is my client as soon as we're done with the cut. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about the content. Guys, it is your boy Enrico the Barber. Until the next video, peace.